Professor Adebukola Omemu, a renowned expert in food microbiology and safety, has identified food safety as a critical responsibility that required a collaborative effort from all stakeholders involved in the food supply chain from farm to fork. Professor Omemu made this revelation during the 90th Inaugural Lecture of the Federal University of Agriculture Abeokuta FUNAB titled The Safe Journey of Food from Farm to Fork, held on May 22, 2024 at the Oluwafemi Balogun Ceremonial Building. In her lecture, Professor Omemu stated that food safety was not a destination but a journey, likening the process to a relay race where the baton representing safe food is passed from one participant to the other. According to her, by working together, each stakeholder strengthens the chain of food safety, thereby preventing lapses that could lead to contamination and illness. Professor Omemu, who is also the current Dean, College of Food Science and Human Ecology (COFEC), highlighted the need for responsible human intervention through diligent practices, robust regulations, and consumer awareness to safeguard the food journey. The university's 90th inaugural lecturer underscored the prevalent vulnerabilities in food safety, calling for diligent farm practices, rigorous protocols, hazard analysis, and critical control points and constant vigilance. She therefore advocated for active involvement from government and policymakers in establishing and enforcing food safety regulations through inspections and penalties. Professor Omemu emphasized the importance of government funding for food safety research and investment in training programs for food industry personnel and consumers, promoting sustainable agricultural practices and fostering collaborations between public health, animal health, and agriculture were crucial steps toward achieving a truly safe food system, she stressed.
Government and policymakers should set food safety rules, train professionals, and support sustainable farming, particularly at the local government level. They should implement policies and programs that is aimed at creating enabling a condition for the informal food sector so that they can thrive and they can thrive safely. Then the media, they should serve as watchdogs and communicators. They should create public awareness about safe food handling practices. They can have programs maybe like cartoon for children so that they can understand safe food practices right from their tender age. And also as consumers, you should safeguard yourself by making safe choices from farm to fork.
Earlier in his introductory remarks, the Vice Chancellor and Chairman of the Inaugural Lecture, Professor Babatunde Kehinde, lauded Professor Omemu for her notable contributions to the university, including her roles as the first female Dean of Student Affairs, first MSc graduate of FUNAB, and the first female Deputy Dean of the Postgraduate School, among others.